In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust avatar size and position in Colossyan. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your on-screen presenter look balanced, readable, and professional with just a few simple actions. Start by logging in to Colossyan. Once you're in, open the project you want to fine-tune. This takes you straight into the editor where you can see your canvas and the elements in your scene. If you have multiple scenes, pick the one you're working on and make sure the canvas is clearly visible so you can judge size and placement accurately. Next, click on your avatar in the canvas. When it's selected, you'll see a box appear around it, usually with small handles on the corners. That box is your control center. It tells you the avatar is active and ready for adjustments. To resize the avatar, move your cursor to any corner handle until you see a diagonal resize icon. Click and drag outward to make the avatar larger, or inward to make it smaller. Using the corner handles keeps the proportions natural, so the face and body don't look stretched or squashed. If you ever notice distortion, release the mouse and try again from a corner rather than a side. A good rule of thumb is to grow the avatar until facial features are clear and readable, but not so large that it feels cramped against the edges. To adjust the position, place your cursor over the avatar inside that bounding box. Click, hold, and drag it to where you want it on the canvas. This simple drag and drop motion lets you center the presenter, shift them to one side to leave space for text, or frame them so they complement your background. As you move the avatar, look for any snap lines or guides that may appear to help with alignment. If you don't see guides, use the canvas edges as a visual reference and leave some breathing room so nothing gets cut off. Keep composition in mind. Placing the avatar slightly to the left or right can make space for captions or graphics. Positioning the eyes near the upper third of the frame often looks natural and engaging. If your project might be viewed in different aspect ratios, avoid pushing the avatar too close to the edges so it remains visible across formats. If you make a change you don't like, use the editor's undo to step back and try again. Repeat these adjustments for any other scenes as needed, and you're set. That's it. Log in, open your project, click your avatar, resize with the corner handles, and drag to place it exactly where it works best.